foggy mornings. Now I wanted to point something out to you in terms of relative humidity. So the measurements here, it's 51 dew point. It's about 90 relative humidity, 90%. Wet bulb 52, dry bulb 54.1. So at 89% RH, let's compare where we're at here to Atlanta. So right now in Atlanta, it's 80% relative humidity and 58 dew point. Here in Asheville, it's 90% relative humidity and 51 dew point. So which area has the most humidity right now? Okay, you would think we would here in Asheville because we have a higher relative humidity, but it's actually not the case. You can see that in Atlanta, although the relative humidity is lower than here, you actually have a higher dew point, which indicates a higher absolute humidity.